Hey, what if I told you that you only need to work until you are 35? Sounds crazy, right? Most people are grinding through their 40s, 50s, and even 60s. But what if there's a secret formula, a simple, almost a magical combination of numbers that could set you free way earlier than you think? Today, I'm going to share you with the mind-blowing secret formula of 6, 9, and 11. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you might never look at the same way again. Let's start here. Why do we usually work until we are old? For decades, life's been a cycle: school, work, retirement, and retirement. It feels so far away, a distant dream for most. Most people spend our half their lives working jobs they may not love just to get by. But what if you could flip the script? What if the years of hard work and saving could multiply in a way that you only need, say, 10 to 15 years of serious work and then you are done? Sounds like a fantasy, but it's not. At least not if you understand this formula. So here's the deal. The secret formula of 6, 9, and 11 isn't some mystical code. It's a simple framework that breaks down how you manage your time, money, and growth in 3 critical phases. Let me explain. 6 years, the foundation phase; 9 years, the exploration phase; 11 years, the freedom phase. Now, before you zone out, let's unpack what this really means. Year 1 through year 6. This is where you build your foundation. Most people spend way too figuring out what they want to do. This phase is all about laser focus. Choose a high value skill. Get really good at it. Start earning seriously. Imagine treating those 6 years like a hustle sprint. Maybe you learn digital marketing, software development, sales, or anything that companies or clients pay top dollar for. The key is mastering something you love or at least don't hate, so you can push hard without burning out. An extra tip: live below your means and save aggressively here. Aim to save 50% or more of your income if possible. Why? Because the money you save now will fuel your freedom later. Now, year 7 through 15, the extraction phase. This is where your money and skills begin to compound. Invest your savings wisely. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Increase your income streams. Build passive income. You are no longer just working for a paycheck. Your money works for you. This phase is crucial because your growing investments can start generating income that replaces your job. Real talk: not everyone gets this phase right. Many people either don't invest or don't do it constantly. But if you do, your money can grow exponentially. You are 16 to 26, the freedom phase. Here's the kicker. By the time you hit your early 30s, your investments, side hustles, royalties, or business income can cover your living expenses. This is when work becomes optional. You are free to live on your own terms. Want to travel? Go ahead. Want to start a passion project? Perfect. Want to just chill? You got it. You don't have to be rich. You just need financial independence. Add it all up. 6 years to build skills plus 9 years to accelerate income plus 11 years to enjoy freedom is equal to 26 years for starting serious work. Start working here at 9 and boom, you are free by 35. Pretty awesome. Let me give you a quick example. Meet Sarah. At 18, she learned coding and saved 60% of her income as a freelancer developer for 6 years. By 24, she invested in index funds and started a small app business. Over 9 years, her investments and business grew enough to cover her cost. And by 33, she quit her job 9 to 5, traveled full time. Or John, he worked in sales, saved aggressively, started side hustles, and invested in real estate properties. By 35, his rental income covered his expenses and he now chooses projects he enjoys. Alright, practical tips if you want to try this. Focus intensely on building high income skills. Live below your means, cut expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation. Automate your savings and investments. Diversify your income streams, side hustles, passive income, investments. Stay patient and consistent. This is marathon, not a sprint. And remember, it's okay if you don't have it all figured out right away. The key is starting early and being small with what you have got. Okay, I get it. This might sound too good to be true. Maybe you are thinking, but I have student debt or I don't earn enough. Here's the truth. Your starting point matters less than your mindset and consistency. Even small amounts saved early can snowball. And if you are struggling, focus on increasing your skills or earning a potential first. Also, remember this formula isn't about running away from work forever. It's about having the freedom to choose when and how you work. So to wrap up, the secret behind working only until 35 is how you manage your time, skills, and money over roughly 2.5 decades. The 6, 9, and 11 phases give you a roadmap to financial independence and freedom. If you are ready to break free from the traditional grind and start living life on your own terms, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into a smart living, and share this with a friend who needs to hear this. And hey, tell me in the comments what skills are you focusing on right now, or what's your biggest challenge in working towards financial freedom. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, work smart, save smarter, and live your best life. See you in the next video.